everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to complete the broken rib stitch. So what you need to do is you're going to start off by casting on an odd number of stitches, and then this is a 2-row alternating stitch. And so for the first row I am just going to knit stitch across. Then for your second row, you are going to start by doing a knit stitch, and then you are going to alternate between purl and knit all the way across. So once you have finished those 2 rows, you're just going to keep alternating between them, and so this is not a reversible stitch. So the side you're knitting on, that is the front side. So you can see you've got your ribs here, and then in between you can see you have the broken part of this stitch between the knit and the purls. And the back looks something like this. And this is actually the sand stitch. So if you're wanting to do this and just have it the other way, you've basically just created that stitch. I hope this is helpful for your next project. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you for my next video. Bye.